A very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Welcome to Digital Learning. English, lesson number 17, No More Formalities, Please. Part 2. Let us read the lesson. Page number 38 of your textbook. Lesson number 17, No More Formalities Please, Part 2. Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after class. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of new books in the library. They just cannot wait to read all those lovely books. She beamed. The principal was also delighted and praised her. The credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. You have created and aroused their interest in reading books. It is going to help them a great deal in future. Yes, madam, said Mrs. Desai. But they find the weekly library period too short. A time to read. So, many students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. They have written to you a letter of request. A letter? Why? Asked the principal in surprise. I had to teach the class how to write polite formal letters and write a formal letter, explained Mrs. Desai. Excellent, Mrs. Desai, exclaimed the principal. And I shall not dampen their interest in reading. I shall certainly allow them to take books at home for reading. The next morning, the principal found the letter on her desk. She signed the letter with the remark, permission granted, and sent it to the librarian. To encourage the children of class 4 further, the principal, the students, and here is what he wrote. Library, Pragati Vidyalay, Vachanpur, 7th July 2014. To the students of class 4. Dear children, I am delighted to know that you are so keen on reading the new books in our school library. The principal has been kind enough to grant to your class permission for home issue facility. I shall keep the library open for an hour after school on all weekdays. You can come and collect any one book of your choice and return it the following week. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely, yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, Librarian. Have received a letter from the librarian. And guess what? We can take storybooks home to read. Wow! Exclaimed Shruti with bright round eyes. Goodbye boredom. Welcome happy hours, shouted Akshay. The letter from the librarian was put up on the class notice board for all to read. When Mrs. Desai walked into the classroom, the students of class 4 burst out into many exclamations of thanks. Shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? Suggested Manuja. That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai, smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. This is a letter of thanks, the children wrote to the librarian. Now, here is a letter what they wrote. 2014. to the librarian, Pragati Vidyalaya, Vachanpur. Subject is an expression of thanks. Dear Sir, thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. We are really grateful that you are going to wait back 1 hour after school just for us. We can now read books of our choice at a stretch. Thank you very much for your encouragement. We promise to abide by the library rules and handle the books with great care. Many thanks once again, yours faithfully, students of class 4. Dear children, with this we have completed reading of the lesson. Now let's understand meaning of it. Part 2. Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after class. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of new books in the library. They just cannot wait to read all those lovely books, she beamed. Dear children, here beamed means smiled with pleasure. What do you mean by beamed? Smiled with pleasure. The principal was also delighted and praised her. The credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. You have created and aroused their interest in reading books. Aroused means made somebody or made children particular feeling or attitude of reading. Here it means made or creating feeling of attitude. So here Mrs. Desai comes to principal's office and she says that when I told children about new books in the library, they were very excited and they could not wait now for the library turn off library period also, and they wanted to read the books very soon. She smiled with pleasure and she expressed the excitement which she saw in children in front of principal. Now, principal was also very happy, delighted, happy to know, and she also praised Mrs. Desai that this credit goes to you. You have only created, you have only brought their feeling or attitude of reading or interest of reading what was in them. You have given them a chance to express that. And they were also sure that reading is going to help them a lot. Now, even Mrs. Desai, she accepts that, yes madam, said Mrs. Desai. But they find a weekly library period too short a time to read. So many students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. They have written to you a letter of request. Now at that time Mrs. Desai informs principal ma'am, that weekly library period is very short for them. They feel that it is too short and they cannot complete reading in one period. So they are going to request you. Appeal means to make a serious or formal request. They are going to appeal you means to make a serious or formal request. So they are going to request you to allow them to take the books at home. And she also informs that they have written a letter of request to you. As soon as principal hears a letter of request, why? She asks her why the letter was that important or was that necessary? I had to teach class how to write polite formal letters. At that time, Mrs. Desai, she tells madam that why the letter is written. So she expresses that I had this opportunity, this situation opportunity, and actually I helped them to write the formal letter, and in that way I have covered the portion, I have covered the topic, as well as the situation was also real. Hearing this, principal becomes very happy. She praises her again, excellent Mrs. Desai. And I shall not dampen their interest. Dampen means to make feelings especially of excitement or enjoyment less strong. Means their interest, keen interest in reading, I will not dampen them, or that I will see to it that that interest do not reduce. To support reading or to support their interest, their excitement, I shall certainly allow them to take books home for reading. I will surely allow them to take books at home. And immediately next morning, principal found a letter on her desk. She signed that letter, that permission granted, and she sent that letter to librarian. Librarian means the one who takes care or look after the books of library is called librarian. To encourage the children of class 4th further, the principal, he wrote. Now, principal ma'am thought, now let us write, they have written and appealed their problem, so let us write and reply them. So she instructs librarian to reply children in written form. So here is a replying letter which was placed on notice board of the school for class 4. Library, Pragati Vidyalaya, Vachanpur, 7 July 2014. To the students of class 4, dear children, I am delighted to know that you are so keen. Keen means interested or eager on reading the new books in our school library. So the principal has been kind enough to grant to your class permission for home issue facility. So our principal is very kind enough and she has given you permission to issue books at home. I shall keep the library open for an hour, and librarian from his side, he has told children that after school for 1 hour I will keep library open on all weekdays, and whenever you want you can come and you can take the book of your own choice and then return in the following week. But I must urge means strongly advise someone to do a particular thing. I will advise you to read and observe the library rules which is displayed in the library. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, librarian. So even librarian was cooperative and he said that after school I will keep 1 hour library open for you all. So he also cooperated well. So children's interest was given importance, and that interest should not reduce, should not get less strong. So principal ma'am and librarian were ready to cooperate with them. Now monitor. Now monitor enters the class. Great news. Look, we have received the letter from librarian. And guess what? We can take storybooks home to read. And he announces in the class that we can take storybooks home for reading. Hearing this, Shruti explains that wow. And Akshay says, goodbye boredom, welcome happy hours. Now the letter from librarian which was put on the class notice board for all to read, they read the letter and they all were excited and happy. When Mrs. Desai she walked into the classroom, students of class 4 burst out into many exclamations of thanks. They were thanking Mrs. Desai. She suggested them a correct way to request. Shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? Now Manuja was very happy and excited and she suggested, can we write librarian that thank you for your kind reply and thanks for waiting? That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai, smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. Now, hearing this, she says it was a very great idea and she was smiling to herself that reading book and also they showed interest in writing formal letters. So this is a letter of thanks the children wrote to the librarian. Now children, they themselves wrote letter on their own to the librarian. Librarian, Pragati Vidyalaya, Vachanpur. Subject is an expression of thanks. Dear sir, thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. We are happy that you have given home reading facility to us. We are really grateful that you are going to wait back 1 hour after school just for us. We are happy and we are grateful that you are going to wait for us after school. We can now read books of our own choice at a stretch. At a stretch means continuously. Thank you very much for your encouragement. We promise to abide. Abide means obey a decision or rule. Abide means obey decision or rule by the library, by the library rules, and handle the books with care. And also we promise we will handle books with care. Many thanks once again, yours faithfully, students of class 4. Now they replied to librarian also in the same manner. So this was about second formal letter, continuing the first part. I hope this lesson is also clear to you. Meet you tomorrow in the next video. Till that, thank you for watching. Keep sending your feedbacks, keep replying, keep watching. Till that, meet you tomorrow. Till that, bye.